I used to have a great job in my country.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I work hard. I went to university. I love Canada, but I feel like I'm starting all over again. This job pays the bills. It isn't really my chosen career.
What did you do in your country?
I was a lawyer for 20 years.
Wow, 20 years? That's great. Do you want to be a lawyer in Canada too?
Well, it'll take a long time in Canada, and I will have to improve my English. I just don't know what to do. I would love to stay in the same field. I love the law.
Why don't you go see an employment counselor? Lots of immigrant organizations have a section where they can help you with your job search.
An employment counselor, how can they help me?
Well, they provide information and tools necessary to find work in Alberta. They can help you find ways to improve your skills in education, make goals, write resumes, and lots of other things.
Oh, I definitely need that. I'll look into it tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, Isabel. Do you want to stay in the same field as before? I heard you worked in law.
That is correct. I am thinking about becoming a lawyer again. I think it will take me some time though.
Yes, it will take some time, but let's go through what are the things that you would need to do. You may find some other alternative career choices that will be easier.
Sounds good. Will you help me to find a job too?
I can certainly tell you where to look for it, but I'm more of a coach. You would have to do most of the work yourself.
I thought you will help me to find a job.
I'm here to support you in your search for a job that you really want and to get you ready for work in Canada.
Okay.
First, we're going to get the process started in getting your credentials assessed with the Canadian standards. It may mean you would have to do less education and that some of your experience may be recognized.
Sounds good.
Okay, let's talk about what are the things you are passionate about and what are the things you really don't like. Then we can talk about the jobs you really want to do. After that, we can get you started taking some classes or whatever necessary. I would suggest to look into LINK classes. They are free for permanent residents and is offered by the government.
Okay.
I also always suggest doing bridging program at your local immigrant organization as it will better prepare you for working in Canada. That's it for today. This is a good start. Remember, fill in your short-term and your long-term goals and send them back to me. We can use them to track your progress.
Oh, thank you very much. This was very helpful.
I'm glad.
Have a good one.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, Isabel. What are you working on?
I'm trying to figure out my future. My employment counselor sent me yesterday with lots of homework. She wants me to come up with small goals towards the job I chose.
Wow, goals are hard. I don't even know what I'm going to eat tomorrow.
I know. It is really hard to plan my future. It feels better though, knowing that I'm moving forward.
I bet. I wish I had your motivation.
I just want to find a job I love doing. It will take a lot of work, but I think I can do it again.
Well, if anyone can do it, it's you.
Thank you, Jordan.
See ya.
There are many ways to prepare to successfully work in Alberta. You can go to an employment counselor to get help with your resume and job search. They will suggest classes or programs you can take. Take a bridging program for a specific career. Many organizations in Alberta offer specialized bridging programs. These programs often teach you about Alberta work culture and expectations. Increase your network. This means going out and meeting professionals in your field, in person and online. One of your contacts may help you find a job. Upgrade your English with LINK or paid ESL programs. Go to college or university. The length and English requirements depend on the program that you choose.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'm interested in taking a class here.
Great. What program are you interested in taking?
The Legal Assistant Diploma. My education and my experience has been assessed.
Okay, did they give you a certificate to tell you what they decided?
Yes, they did.
Great. So to get into the program, you'll have to apply online. You'll need to submit your proof of your English level, as well as your qualifications assessment certificate. The information's all right here on this form.
Thank you. I'll start my application tonight. I just finished my English classes and a bridging program, so I'll make sure I include those in my application. Thank you very much.
Great. See ya.
Hey, Jordan. You will never guess what happened. You know that interview from last week? I got the job.
That's awesome. Congratulations. I knew you could do it.
Oh, I just wanted to say thank you. I know it took me a long time. Oh, I have to go. I don't want to be late on my first day.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Looking for work in Alberta can be a long process, but there are a lot of resources and programs to help. Your search for meaningful employment doesn't have to be done alone.